Hello student, welcome back in the online class of General Knowledge. Today we will know about chapter 14 recycling paper. How used paper are recycled. See, paper recycling is the environment friendly process of recycling paper that has already been consumed. Consumed means used in order to make fresh usable paper. Means whatever papers are already used through the process of recycling, they will be made again fresh to be used. Okay, so we will know in this chapter how papers are made and how they are recycled. So all of you open page number 48 in your GK book. Students, see, as I told you, today we will know about the activity of recycling paper. Means how used paper we can again use. Okay. Paper recycling is the environment friendly process of recycling paper that has already consumed in order to make fresh. Means whatever papers are already used, we have to make it fresh, usable paper. Each day, tons of papers is consumed nationwide. In nation, nearly tons of papers are used, and after being used for documents, writing and printing, it is through as a scrap. Scrap means a small amount or piece. It is not recycled paper that becomes part of garbage dumps and landfills. Means whatever paper is used, they are not filling our lands, they are not dumped, contributing to problems like greenhouse gas emission and pollutions. Mean these activities are not increased by paper waste. Paper recycling can solve many of these problems by turning the scrap paper into new paper. Means if we turn the used papers into, means papers are not creating these problems, greenhouse gas emission and pollution problem. Okay, so today first we will know how papers are made. Step to make paper. See, fresh paper is made from pulp. Pulp means a soft weight shapeless material. Okay, this pulp is made from wood, but other materials such as cotton, bamboo and sugarcane etc. can also be used. Mean except this, these sugarcane, bamboo, cotton, these things also can be used. The pulp, a mixture of water and fibers. Means pulp is a mixture of water and fibers, is then pumped into screen mats. Okay. After that, these rolling mats, means first they were turned into screen mats in the shape of mats. After that, these rolling mats vibrate steadily to dry the moisture and create paper. Means after that, these rolled mats are vibrated till the time steadily continuously they will not dry. Okay, to create or make paper. Okay, so this is the process of making fresh paper. Now we will know how papers are recycled. Okay, see, first step of recycling paper. First, collect paper from multiple sources, means from where it is possible to collect papers, from people's home, from the market, or whatever sources you know from where you can collect paper. First, collect them. Next step, sort the paper into similar types. Okay, for example, according to their color, printing, like this. Sort the paper first. Turn it into pulp using water. I told you pulp means a soft weight, shapeless material. By adding water, you have to make it pulp. Hydrogen peroxide and caustic soda with soap. These things also will be added in that pulp. The pulp is now a fiber and will be de-inked. De-inked means the act of removing ink from the newspapers is known as de-inking. Okay, till it becomes white. The whitened pulp is fed into rollers. Now the whitened pulp is rolled with the help of rollers, which removes the water. Lastly, the pulp is pushed through an ironing board type machine. Ironing board type machine to roll it into the desired shape, means whatever shape you want. With the help of ironing board type machine, it should be rolled to take the desired shape. So students, today you learn the process of making paper and the process of recycling paper. Okay, hope you enjoyed this topic. Revise the topic 41 given on page number 48. Thank you. God bless you all.